Hello everyone, so we will have a mooncake unboxing from my director. So here today is, this season is the Mid-Autumn Festival season, which will be held on Tuesday. So we have here luxury gift Trung Thu. So this is a Vietnamese mooncake. So we can see here the pagoda, and I believe that's, what is that, kumquat, and of course a phoenix. Okay, so box pa lang, mukha nga namang luxury, and matigas yung box. Okay, so I'll try to open it, and we'll see here like 4 mooncakes. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan. And let's try to look at one. Maybe you can have this on top. Okay, for the struggle in person. So here, here, and there. Let's see how does it look like from the inside. Okay. So here, so white, Dao San. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Dao San. So ito siya. And later i-google ko kung ano yung Dao San. Siguro magkakaiba sila ng flavor. Check natin itong isa. Kung white din ba. Oh, it's a different one. We have, this one is Zuanon. Okay, and how about this one? Usually mooncakes are very sweet, so I think I won't be able to finish all of these. Maybe this is intended for a family. Oh, tiramisu. Wow, I love it. Parang unahin ko yung tiramisu. Tiramisu cake. And this one is, sorry, I'm not sure. Cute fish. Ano, bunny? Ano ba yun? Fish ba yan? Oh, yata. Is that, diba? Pero bakit parang may mukhang bunny? I think the bunny hugs the fish. Okay, so tap cam. Feeling ko mixed yung flavor nito. This is the mixed one, tiramisu, and sabi ng co-teacher ko kanina parang coconut yata ito, and maybe this is green bean. Nag-assume. Sige, later on lagay ko sa description below. Bye bye.